Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today in this video I will guide you how you can apply for Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme 2022-23. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So here you can see the home page of Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme, and I will give the link of this website in description. So first of all, here you can see how to apply. Eligible candidates should first make an initial application online through the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme electronic system to obtain an HKPFS reference number by 1st December 2021 at Hong Kong time before submitting applications for PhD admission to their desired universities. So first of all, you have to submit your initial application, and when you submit your initial application, then you will get the HKPFS reference number by email. Then after receiving the reference number, then you can apply for different universities. Applicants may choose up to 2 programs departments at 1 or 2 universities for PhD study under HKPFS 2022-23. They should comply with the admission requirements of their selected universities and programs, as the deadline for applications to some of the universities may immediately follow that of the initial application. Candidates should submit initial applications as early as possible to ensure that they have sufficient time to submit applications to universities. So if you scroll down, here you can see first step is submit initial application to Research Grant Council. Open for applications 1st September 2021 at 12 noon Hong Kong time. So first is guidance note for completing the initial applications. So if you click here, you can check the guidance note. So this is the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme guidance note for applicants. Please ensure that you read this guidance note carefully before completing and submitting your initial application. So in scheme process A is the deadline for the submission of initial application for the HKPFS is 1st December 2021. Late submission will not be considered. Applicants should note that the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme electronic system will time out automatically after idling for 30 minutes. All unsubmitted entries will be lost upon system time out. The initial application excluding this guidance note is composed of the following sections. In initial application, there are 4 sections A, B, C, D. A is personal particulars. B, choice of universities and programs for PhD study. C is authorization and declaration. D is source of information. So next point is, in order to ensure consistency and fairness to all applicants, each applicant should only submit one initial application through HKPFSCS at this link. In the event that an applicant is discovered to have submitted more than one initial application, all applications submitted by the same applicant for the HKPFS may be disqualified even if the applicant is nominated by an university to compete for the HKPFS award. So make sure you only submit one initial application. The initial application form, except for the field requiring the input of applicant's name in Chinese if applicable, must be completed in English. An applicant may make changes to choice of university, department, program until the initial application deadline, and the initial application deadline is 1st September 2021. And universities will nominate selected candidates to the RGC to compete for the HKPFS award. In the event that an applicant is nominated by 2 universities, the RGC will only process the nomination tendered by the university for which the applicant has indicated priority. Applicants who are not selected for the award of HKPFS may be accepted by a university for regular PhD admission and may be offered a postgraduate studentship or other funding support by the university. Information on individual universities are available on the following website. So from here you can check all the university informations by these universities websites by clicking these links. And step 2 is submit full application to proposed universities. After completing an initial application, applicant should submit full application for their selected PhD programs to the proposed universities, quoting their HKPFS reference number before the university's respective deadlines. As regards program information, requirements for PhD admission, application method, regulation and policy of individual universities, please refer to individual universities and PhD programs for information. So from here you can check the deadlines of different universities. City University of Hong Kong deadline is before 1st December. Hong Kong Baptist University deadline is 1st December. Lingnan University deadline is 2nd December. The Chinese University of Hong Kong deadline is 1st December. The Education University of Hong Kong 1st December. The Hong Kong Polytechnic University deadline is also 1st December. The Hong Kong University of Science and Technology deadline is 1st December. The University of Hong Kong deadline is 1st December 2021. So from here you can check the deadline. But make sure you submit initial application as early as possible. If you submit the initial application as early as possible, then you can have more time for submitting the full application to proposed universities. So for submitting the initial application, just click here. And here you can see guidance note for applicants and initial application form. So click here, initial application form. From here you can also check some guidance and university's information, telephone number, fax number, email and deadlines. And if you scroll down, at the end you can see here initial application form. So just click here. So this is the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme 2022-23 initial application form. Please read the guidance note for applicants before completing this form online. The Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme electronic system will time out automatically after idling for 30 minutes. All unsubmitted entries will be lost upon system time out. Only one initial application is accepted per applicant. All entries will be cross-checked with full applications to be submitted to universities. So in section A, there is personal particulars. Write your name in English as shown on your passport or identity document. So here write your family name and then given name. Name in Chinese if applicable, not necessary. So from here select the day, month and year of your date of birth. Select your gender and select your place of birth. Then from here select your nationality or region as shown on your passport or identity document. So next is first 4 numerical digits of passport, identity document number. Applicants from Hong Kong must input relevant numeric digits of their Hong Kong identity card. If you are living in Hong Kong, then write here the first 4 numerical digits of your Hong Kong identity card. And applicants from mainland China must input relevant numeric digit of their resident identity card number. And applicant without a passport must input the relevant numeric digit of their national identity document number. So here write your first numerical digits of your passport or your national identity document number. Next is email address. The email address given here will be used in all future correspondence, including notification of result in April 2022 if applicable. So here write your email address. Please re-enter your email address. The next is contact phone number. So please input numeric digits only, country code, area code and then write your number. So here first write country code, then area code and then write your number. In section B is choice of universities and programs for PhD studies. So you can select 2 universities. So from here, in first choice, select your university and select your department, school, faculty or division, and then from here select your program or field of study. Second choice, just again select your university, department, school, faculty, program, field of study where you want to study for PhD program. In important note, the RGC will only process applications nominated by the 8 UGC funded universities to compete for the HKPFS award. In the event that an applicant is nominated by 2 universities, the RGC will only process the nomination tendered by the university for which the relevant applicant has indicated priority. If an applicant selects 2 different programs within the same university and is nominated subsequently, the university concerned shall have the discretion to decide on which program the nomination is for. Please refer to paragraph first for the guidance note for details. Next is proposed research field of PhD studies. And here keywords in English that best describe your proposed research, up to 100 characters you can write here. Next section C is authorization and declaration. Read this and check all these boxes. Section D, source of information. You are invited to fill out the survey below. This survey is optional for statistical purpose. So this is the optional. If you want to fill out, then fill this, otherwise no. Otherwise skip this. How did you learn about the Hong Kong PhD fellowship scheme? Online, printed matter, personal network event. If you are an applicant outside Hong Kong, then from here select. So after filling these 4 sections, just click here submit. So when you submit the initial application, you will see this page, and here you can see step 1 complete. Submit initial application to Research Grants Council. Your initial application has been submitted successfully. You have obtained an HKPFS reference number. This you will receive an confirmation email within an hour. So the first step is complete, and in step 2 you will submit the full application to proposed university. And here you can see need to change the choice of university department program. You may amend your choices before the initial application deadline by logging into the RGC system. Login instructions will be provided in the confirmation email to be sent to you within 1 hour. Please avoid making last minute changes as the system will be heavily loaded prior to the closing date and time. For the fairness, no changes will be accepted after the close of the initial application. It means you can change the university names till the deadline, means 1st December 2021. Okay guys, if you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. And after receiving the reference number, how you can apply for different universities, I will guide you in my next video, and I will give the link of that video also in description. So stay with me and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.